Indodana yesinye sezishoshovu ezaziwa nge-Cradock Four, Lukhanyo Calata, itshele Isigcawu esiphenya amacala e-TRC esihlezi eGoli ukuthi waphatheka kabi kakhulu ngesikhathi ethola ukuthi lilahlekile idokodo lecala lokubulawa kayise Fort Calata, Matthew Goniwe, Sparrow Mkonto noSicelo Mhlauli. Calata ubuze Isigcawu ukuthi kungani idokodo lecala elibaluleke kangaka lanyamalala emahhovisi e-NPA kepha akekho owaphendula ngakho. Isigcawu esiphenya amacala angazange ashushiswe ekhomishana yamaqiniso nokubuyisana.
And I like to make the example that I don't understand how something like that happens inside the offices of the National Prosecuting Authority, where nobody, not a single person, had ever been held accountable for a missing docket in a matter as serious as the murders of the Cradock Four.
Calata okhale kakhulu ngokwenzelwa phansi nguhulumeni we-ANC kwezishoshovu ze-Cradock Four nabo bonke abantu abalwa nohulumeni wobandlululo. Uthi babe nethemba lokuthi uma i-ANC ithatha izintambo zombuso ngo-1994 babezobuthola ubulungiswa.
Madiba was sworn into office on the 10th of May 94. One of the very first judgments of the democratic South Africa was handed down by Judge Neville Zitzman, where he found that the Cradock Four were killed by members of the apartheid government or security branch. So we expected that there would be justice, but nothing ever came. My father and his comrades were portrayed by the state, because no state should ever be involved in the murders of its own citizens. That should never, ever be the case. The state cannot become the terrorist. Never. Not with the might and with the resources that a state has. It should never. But in the case of the Cradock Four and many other families, the state became the terrorist. So my father was portrayed by his own state, the apartheid state. And then the ANC then comes into power. And then the ANC then portrays them again. So two times. And it's not just my father and his comrades, but it's all of the families, some of whom that I'm sitting here representing directly on their mandate.